Hey, what's up guys? Black Sheep here, and as you can see, I have a box of Upper Deck MVP. MVP came out last week, and people have been asking if I was going to open it, and it took a while, but I did get a box. I usually open these boxes at DMP Sports Cards in Sacramento, but I was feeling a bit under the weather recently, so I just asked Chris over there to mail me the box, and he did. Came today really quick. 24 packs in a box. I don't really know what to expect. MVP is making a return. This is actually a 14-15 product. So brand new. 13-14 stuff hasn't even ended yet. But here we go. The base card. Simple design. And it looks like our first parallel card is a Ryan Murray. Alright. So we'll go ahead and take a look. A lot of packs in this box. It's a lower end product, so I'm not going to go through a lot of the base, but we do have, I'll go through the special cards, Tammy Solani and an insert, NHL 3 stars, Lindback, Gibson, and Johansson. Not sure what to make of MVP yet. It'll be interesting to see what we get in the box. Gustav Nyquist and a Shane Doan, number 24 of 25. So pretty low numbering on that one. Looks like there are lots and lots of parallel cards available. Antoine Vermette and Jonathan Huberdeau. It's a nice looking card. Colors and contours. I don't know how rare that is. I'll have to check. Not being out for a while, MVP. Looks like MVP's improved. Looks like you can get a lot more cool stuff in Olli Jokinen and Scotty Upshaw. So maybe these cards aren't that rare, but they look really cool. Joel Ward. And another 3 stars, Skinner, Hall, and Luongo. Yes, it looks like one parallel for pack. Mike Mikkel Bodker. I don't think there's a guaranteed hit in per box, but there might be. I think I saw the easiest hit was just over 1 per box. LeCavier, Jonathan Erickson. But it could be that there's a hit in here. I don't know. We'll see. Jaden Schwartz and Turris, Bergeron, and Oshie. The regular base cards look a little bit like gold cards to me because they're gold colored. Darcy Kemper and then Rich Peverly. Claude Giroux, and holy crap, pro sign Wayne Gretzky. Wow. All right, nice box. I guess you can get autographs and hits in this stuff. That is quite a hit. Mike Giordano. Wow, I'm still a little bit stunned by that hit. It is a sticker autograph. We'll take a look at it later, maybe. Phil Kessel. But that is pretty sweet. Jean-Sébastien Giguère, Lars Eller. I mean, that's just not something you expect to pull out of a box of MVP. Pekka Rinne. But I'll take it. I mean, who doesn't want that? Looks like we have a rookie card here. Oscar Klefbom. Nate McKinnon. Hurdle, actually. Of course, those aren't rookie cards. They were rookies last year. Danny DeKeyser. Wow, Logan Couture. Nice. It's turning out to be a great box. Parallel of Couture, my PC player. People ask, am I still collecting Couture? I'm not really actively collecting Van Riemsdyk in terms of trying to find rare Coutures and stuff like that. But I'm always glad to get Couture cards. Andrew Shaw and rookie Andre Palat. Steve Mason, Brian Campbell, a lot of Panthers with that card. Eric Carlson. 2 more packs to go. Jacob Markstrom. And our final pack. Alexander Semin and a triple Parise Kessel Backlund. So there you have it. I'm going to show the Gretzky once again. Wow, what an amazing card. It's very clean. Very good looking card. Very happy with this pull. And wow, amazing. Well, I'm going to be reviewing MVP. You can win some cards from this break by entering my contest. Check out the rules down below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.